Okay, ngiphathele wethu ke lona ne oka former deputy chief u Revosis Spies. Hayi ke seke chilo mos into ba seke requestile ku Julius Mkhwanazi Brigadier Mkhwanazi into ba sicela usichazele kabanzi ngifuna i-operational plan uba who approved this thing obubudlelwane bakho okanye boye CAT VIP plus EMPD hayachone vela amthumelele o WhatsApp baba WhatsApp uba uyamchazela ubudlelwana kanabo ne usual xa bekuma operations kuba ngabo iEMPD leyo loqambana labo kube iCAT VIP abali Toms mamelani Toms yaphi buzeni ba yaphi Toms iToms ngaba ba members zeHawks aba babekwa Katiso Molefe mhlake bantu Katiso Molefe iToms unit yeToms le within iHawks department hayike sharp ke azama ukuyibala thini athomi haya ndifuna yonke lento ngixelela yona ndifuna iproper okanye ioriginal operation plan nomuntu wa approve yonke lonto leyo achone vela kungephi athumele ienvelope engathi brown xa kayivula le envelope ingathi yiyo ke ngoku operational plan le xa kayivula fumana ipecapece nje lama pages about 14 xa kwajonga bona apha bokusenziwa nje phela sonwabe since a persistent efunana nalento lena just ukudlulisa nje umntana ebedini from apho sike pick up ke 1 no 2 into ba azimnikezi u3 instruct u colonel into ba colonel ndicela uinvestigate lento further enye ungadelegate because since involve abantu abasezingeni eliphezulu ngokwezikhundla andifuni into obuyise ku junior staff ndicela uyenze ngokwakho don't delegate it hayike baqalisa ukwenza uphenyo labo nabo benza uphenyo labo with whatever they found bafumana into ba ana kunebu misconduct obenziwa apho kunobugulukudo benziwi lapha ayithathe le yonke le information ayisephi aye nayo ku IPIT xa befika ku IPIT adibane nomuntu osadla ku IPIT obizwa ngoba ngumagagula xa kafika bekela umagagula lento baye magagula sinengxaki apha kuso beza ngekabani indaba ngeka General Mkhwanazi ngekabi brigadier Julius Mkhwanazi imeko yoba wenze lobubugulukudu neCAT VIP xa befika bafika hayibo actually sisendleleni sifuna ukudibana nani kune team members zenu phakwa EMPD ezimigulukudu ezicommita i-criminal activities ezi-serious wena hijacking wena murders wena kubalwe athi omye hayibo xa kayiqaphela lento zithi members ezingabantu abareporta phi apha ku Brigadier Julius Mkhwanazi yena bekezele ngokungale hayi kidibane ke ngokunto xa beyijonga beyipheca zonke ezi cases nabe phofu iIPD ayithethi nje ithetha ibhizi nge-investigations but sebenayo i-evidence ebasa phambili into ba le case ine weight in fact ezi cases ezine weight phofu iIPD ayinazi cases njengathi zine weight zinazo ne CCTV ezibabeka kuma crime scene bonabo o Brigadier Mkhwanazi bafethu ndiyazi benirhalela into ba ndizibale one by one ezi case but I will only enza ku part 4 wam ndizawubala ezezingathi zi-interesting because ingathi not that ezezingasikho interesting but ezezingathi ziyi-movie and ndifuna ndinixelele uba leliphi igama le-movie yale nto ndizabe ndiyibalisa ku part 4 hayi ke kubalwe apho uba kukhona zi-cable theft kutshontshwa ama-load we-truck kuhijackwa i-trucker kukidnap umuntu kutshontshwa ama-load wema-trucker kubulawa abantu apho ininzi nje lento yenziwayo so ininzi le corruption yenziwayo mamelani ke ngoku as escrutinizer le memorandum of understanding bapick up into ba hayi man obubudlelwane bunikeza i-powers le CAT VIP into ba izakwenza umsebenzi on their behalf uba kune drug bust kuzafonelwa bona le banayo ne legal representative yabo ezaphinde ithini xa beyijonga lento i-infiltrate i-health department ifaka ama legal ifaka bona benza umsebenzi wesiphoyisa bazi so as a result bayozibophela bazi investigatele ama case wabo banawo ne legal team within yonke le mfitshi abayenzayo so what I'm going to do so basically that's just about it but there was a very interesting question as well that was imposed by one of the commissioners into ba ungani xa nibona ba kuso ninayo yonke evidence kube aba bantu aba aniba discipline departmentally and akunama criminal cases athi akhona ama criminal cases however aphelele moyeni kune evidence kunama CCTV apha Hayi bafethu ngicela siyeni ku-part 4 because ngifuna ukunubukelisa imovie. Ha.
Brigadier Makwanasi was at the council meeting. I approached him then at the council meeting itself, where I informed him, but we have this media queries. I've sent it to you. I haven't received any answers yet. Can I please have an answer about it? He then explained to me that, but we have a formal relationship with this company, Cat VIP, where they actually assist us at all scenes, and not only us, they assist DPCI, TOMS, which is the tactical operation side of the DPCI. They assist us with information, and they respond to scenes and all things like that. I said to him, but it's impossible. I don't know anything about this. I've never heard it. And he then stated that he will send me WhatsApps of previous successes, which will then prove that Cat VIP was involved at these incidents and crime scenes and everything. So during the council meeting when we were sitting at, he started to send me WhatsApps relating to these incidents where Cat VIP is listed then as a role player in crime scenes. And later that evening, he also then concluded that, but they were even involved in a State of the City address, which is an annual event by the cities where the mayor would produce or present the State of the City address. And in the 2022 March State of the City address, which was done by Alderman Tanya Campbell, he alleged that even in the operational plan, it's there. That Cat VIP is part of this. And I said, that doesn't sound right to me, but send me proof of that. He started to send me WhatsApps with pictures, and then I said to him later during the WhatsApp conversation, I want a plan. This is pictures. It could be photoshopped, and I don't believe in that. Send me the original plan. And later the evening, he sent me a SharePoint link, which is an email with a link that you can click on it and then you will get to an operational plan. But it took me also to pictures of the plan itself. And then I answered him back and say, I want the operational plan, the original. Because for every operation that we conduct, there will be an operational plan which is signed off and approved, and that gets archived and kept in the records. So the very next morning, he sent an operational plan in a sealed envelope to my office.